Everyone, ever get lost in your spreadsheets trying to connect the dots between different pieces of information? It can be real headache, right? Well, today I want to show you a super helpful tool that can make finding information a breeze. It is called XLOOKUP. Don't let the name immediate you. It is actually quite straightforward. Imagine you have a list of your YouTube videos and another list with their view counts. In the same way, you have product ID and the price. So XLOOKUP helps you easily find the view count, or here in our example, it will help you to find out the price against a product ID. So what is the key benefits by using XLOOKUP? Why we are using XLOOKUP instead of VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP? First of all, it is flexible. You can look for things in any column. It is smart as well. It can handle situations where the information is not always a perfect match. The third one is it is user friendly. Once you understand the basics, it's easy to use. So, if you are looking for a simpler way to find information in your spreadsheets, give XLOOKUP a try. It might just become your new favorite tool. Yeah. So now you can see that XLOOKUP is asking main three arguments. The first one is lookup value. It means what you are looking for. Lookup array means where it should look up, and return array means what you actually expecting as output. Then we have another three optional option, like if not found, then you can put something data is not available. Match mode, if it's not 100% match, so you can put -1 for shorter match and for 1 for longer match. Search model, how you want to search, from start to end or end to start. Likewise, so here we have taken an example of product ID and price. So suppose you have product ID and price, and you want to achieve, or you want to figure out the price for that specific product ID. So what you need to do, you need to write X lookup, then lookup value. It means what we are looking for. We are looking for this product ID. What we actually look, we will look here in this table, okay? And then what we are expecting as output, we are expecting price as output. So we will select the price column, okay? Now, if data is not available, then what you want to write here? So you don't need to write if error. If you using VLOOKUP, if you are using HLOOKUP, then you will get #NA as error value if data is not available. And after using VLOOKUP or HLOOKUP, you have to handle that error by using if NA or if error formula. But XLOOKUP doesn't require if error or if NA. So data is not available. Okay. And You can see 0 for exact match, 1 exact match or not, or next similar item exact match, or next larger item wildcard characters match, something like this. But now we are using only simpler X lookup, which we mostly use. Just give a comma and search first to last. Okay, so we will put 1, close the bracket and put enter. So you can see for D002 product, here you can see D002 product, the value is 9872. It's coming perfectly, but D006, the product is not available in our list. So for this, what it will give us as output, let us check. So data is not available. So it means XLOOKUP is also contains if error or if NA facilities inside it. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. If this video helpful to you, kindly subscribe my channel. And also if you want that your friends also knows this formula, then please share with your friends. Thank you very much again.